Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. First, you fold the paper in half. And make sure you get it right and crease it really well. Then, you're going to fold it in half again and make triangles. Let's start that over. First you fold it in half, then you crease it, and you make two triangles. Then you try to make some wings. Start that over. Fuck. Alright, fresh paper. Fold it in half. Fuck. This is the wrong paper. Okay. Now you start off by folding it in half. And you make two triangles. Make sure you crease the paper. That's where we're at now. Now let's fold that in half. And again, crease it to make sure it's aerodynamic. Now let's add some wings. And that is our paper airplane.